Welcome to part 2 of my building the closet series. Now, if you have not seen part 1, the link will be in my description below. But then if you've seen it, let's go. I'm gonna get right into it. So basically, what we're gonna be doing now is, let me show you. We're gonna start getting rid of all these holes, and all these little gaps that we have here. We're gonna make sure that we smooth them out. If you haven't done so, please make sure you like my page. Make sure you share my contents if you like them. And please subscribe and push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of our other videos. So quickly, let's just get into it. All right, so I'm done patching all the holes, all the nails, everything. So now I'm about to go sand this thing real quick. All right, so now I'm done with all the sanding. I've already cleaned it up here. Make sure I vacuum and wipe all these things, take all the dust off of them. So now I'm getting ready to paint. So I'm using this primer right here. Got it from Home Depot, but there are many different varieties you can use. And I'm gonna be using this paint right here. Let me make sure you see this. So now, let's prep so I can prime and paint. Okay, so I've used 1 gallon of the primer so far. It's actually nice, but my problem is I don't like the smell of it, and there's not a lot of ventilation, a lot of air circulating where my closet is. So I'm switching. I'm gonna continue with paint and primer together. That way I don't have that oil smell. I don't like that smell at all. All right, so I painted all the drawers right here in the room while everybody's sleeping. And I'm about to sand this vanity here and paint it with the same color. That way it can match. I'm going to be using the same handles, so I just spray paint them to make them look very nice. So it's time to install these modern lights that I bought. All right, so for the floor, I'm gonna continue the same peel and stick tile I have in the bathroom. I'm just gonna continue it in the closet. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna go with my color theme here, so let's do it. All right, so I'm done installing the floor. Well, you see we have them little holes in between them, so I went and bought this ceramic tile coat to fill out all the little holes in between. So here are the bars right here. I spray paint them, looking nice.
All right, so now we're all done. I'm not sure if you remember, but in case you don't, let me give you a quick reminder of what this closet used to look like before. Right, so now let me be the first one to welcome you to my brand new, luxurious, over the top DIY. Oh, I can't believe I built this closet. I mean, I ain't got much to say. Go ahead and enjoy this beautiful view.
Yeah. Yeah, what you think? What do you think? Thank you so much for going through this journey with me. It's finally over. I'm happy about the result. I don't know if you are, but I am. Well, I hope you are. So let me know what you think, man. Let me know how you're receiving this, if you like it, if it was worth the wait, because the first video came out like, what, 3 months ago? Yeah, 3 months ago. And hey, I don't have a lot of time, so I just do a little bit here, a little bit there, and now we're done. So what do you think, huh? Please like, comment, subscribe, push the notification button. What should I do next now, huh? I don't know. You'll see. But thank you so much for watching.